Gymnocladus dioicus, Kentucky coffee tree. These are trees 70 to 80 feet high with an oval to spreading crown. The leaves are deciduous and alternately arranged. The leaf shape is bipinnately compound. The overall leaf is up to 36 inches long and 24 inches wide, with 3 to 7 pairs of pinnae. Usually the lower ones are reduced to simple leaves, while the upper ones have 6 to 14 leaflets. This is one of the largest leaves of any native tree in North America. During the growing season, the leaves are dark green and almost bluish in color, and these develop a somewhat yellow fall color. Ornamental features Gymnocladus dioicus. These produce a bark that is rough and scaly, developing somewhat of a ridged character. Color is gray-brown to dark brown. These produce a leathery pod that begins a dark green in color and turning somewhat brown over time. Seeds within the pod are very hard. The pods hang on the trees through the winter and will drop in the spring. Some sterile cultivars are available. Cultural information for Gymnocladus dioicus. These are hardy from zones 3 to 8 and will do best in full sun. They tolerate acidic to alkaline soils, pH 5 to 8. They have no major serious disease or insect problems. They are native in Iowa, the eastern and central USA. Notes about Gymnocladus dioicus. Terminal buds are often absent. Lateral buds are small and bronze in color and may be somewhat pubescent. Stems are fairly stout and may be gray-brown in color, sometimes velvety downy. The pith is wide, salmon pink or brown in color. These are one of the last trees to leaf out in the spring. Often this is mid-May in the Midwest. Prune these in winter or early spring. The wood can be somewhat brittle. These have a bold winter habit and are somewhat reminiscent of the characteristic spooky Halloween tree because of the sparse branches. In historic times, these were used as a substitute for the coffee bean by the early settlers of Kentucky, giving us the common name Kentucky coffee tree.